So I'm going to give you all the right answers in this video on what is the best rosemary water for hair growth. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 23 of our 30 days hair growth challenge. Congratulations if you've been following us through from day one, and I believe you've started seeing results on your hair. So today we're going to answer a very specific question because it looks like many people have this question. So we're going to answer this question. What is the best rosemary water for hair growth? Starting with, let me explain what rosemary water is. Rosemary water is simply an infusion made up of water and rosemary leaves. So you have hot water in which you put rosemary leaves and you leave it there for some time. For some infusions, it will be 30 minutes. I prefer to leave it there overnight and then to sieve it before I can collect my rosemary water. So this is how you prepare rosemary water. Now you want to know which one is the best, and I'll present two different categories of rosemary water. The first one is the DIY rosemary water. DIY for do it yourself. It's the one that you do yourself at home. It is homemade rosemary water. You just take your normal tap water or the water that you drink and you heat it, and then you put your rosemary leaves in it and you make your infusion. You wait for 30 minutes for some people, but for me I prefer overnight so that you really have time to collect all the active ingredients that are in the rosemary leaves, and then you spray it on your hair. I put mine in a spray bottle like this one and I just spray it like this. I do this twice per day. I do it in the morning and in the evening. And in my 30 days hair growth challenge, I say that you should do this every day for 30 days. So I spray it like this and I massage it into my scalp every day for 30 days. So this one is the homemade rosemary water, the DIY rosemary water. This is the first category. Now there's another category of rosemary water, which is the commercial rosemary water. This one is made by cosmetic brands and commercialized. So it's sold to people. They will generally do it with distilled water because it has to have a certain shelf life. So they will use distilled water and they will use conservative or preservative agents so that it will not get bad very fast. And apart from rosemary water, they may add other ingredients in it, you know. Now the thing is, which one then is the best? Is it the homemade rosemary water or the commercial rosemary water? As for me, and I will just give my honest opinion, I'm not attacking any brand. I'll just give my honest opinion without trying to be biased. I would say that I believe that the best rosemary water is the one that you do yourself at home. Why do I believe this? I believe this because if you have your own rosemary plant at home that you grow organically, and that you yourself, you can like ensure that the water that you choose is good water, it's better because it is the most, I would say it's the best form because there are no preservatives in it. There are no additional ingredients that you know nothing about and of which you do not master the chemistry or like the side effects. Because the more we add preservatives, the more we add additives, the more we add different things inside there to like give it a longer shelf life. At times, some could even want to add perfume in it, like to give a certain smell. Different things, coloring ingredients like to give a specific color, or some would want to add like several different ingredients, and in the end the thing that you have in that container, it's not 100% rosemary water. There are other ingredients inside that have their own necessity in terms of cosmetics and in terms of shelf life, but you do not know what's in there. You do not know if in 20 years time we're going to discover that there was something in there that causes cancer or something like that. And we've seen that with so many different cosmetics products, and I'm not against cosmetic products or cosmetic industries, no, but I'm just saying that in my own opinion, in terms of rosemary water, any cosmetic product that you can do yourself, like easily, like rosemary water, and be sure that it's 100% natural, I would prefer the natural one, the DIY one. So for me, the best one is the rosemary water that you do yourself at home, because at least you have a certain form of control on the ingredients. So if you like natural hair recipes like this one, rosemary water, you can check out my book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch, in which I share all the natural hair recipes which are safe, for your hair and that you can use for yourself. You can check out my book. The link is in the description below. My book is available on Amazon or directly on my website. You can get it, you can grab a copy and look at the recipes inside there. And additionally, I also have tips in there in order to transition from relaxed to natural hair if you want to transition from relaxed to natural hair. So I believe that after watching this video, you know which rosemary water you are going to choose for yourself. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, please leave a thumbs up so that I know that you like my content. And if you have comments to add, like things to say about your own experience, either with DIY rosemary water or with commercial rosemary water, you can write it in the comment section. And please share this video with other people who want to know what's the best rosemary water to use for their hair. And finally, please, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe so as to encourage me. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and see you soon. Bye bye.